Hello everyone, we are going to go through Science Chem 10-year series 2012 question 9. Okay, the question is broken into 3 parts, part A, B and C. Part A is actually 4 marks. They ask you to briefly describe 4 characteristic reactions of acids. So the first mark will go to telling me that acids react with reactive metals to form salt and hydrogen gas. The second mark will go to telling me that acids react with metal carbonates to form salt, water and carbon dioxide gas. The third mark is to tell me that acids can also react with bases to form salt and water. And the fourth mark will be to tell me that acids change the color of universal indicator from green to either red, orange or yellow. Red is if it's a strong acid, and then as the acid gets weaker, it will either change from green to orange or green to yellow. Next part, part B. The question asks you to describe a way to prepare a pure sample of silver chloride from silver metal. So they want you to obtain pure silver chloride from silver metal. They also gave you 4 bullet points for information to help you describe your method. So the first clue that they gave you is that silver does not react with hydrochloric acid. Second clue is that silver reacts with hot concentrated nitric acid to form silver nitrate. The third point, they also tell you that all nitrates are soluble in water. And the fourth point, they're telling you that silver chloride is insoluble in water. So how do you get your 4 marks? First step. In the question, they have already given you a clue. Silver reacts with hot concentrated nitric acid to form silver nitrate. So if you're given silver metal, first of all, you need to react it with your hot concentrated nitric acid. So how to describe it? Step 1. Heat 50 cm³ of concentrated nitric acid in a fume cupboard. Alright, so you heat it up so that it's hot, concentrated nitric acid in fume cupboard, and then you add excess silver powder to hot concentrated nitric acid and you stir until no more silver dissolves. This is your first mark. Alright, second mark will go to telling the examiner that you need to filter to remove the excess unreacted silver. Alright, so after you filter away the excess unreacted silver, the filtrate, which is the solution left behind, is silver nitrate. The filtrate is silver nitrate. Next, you add equal volume of sodium chloride to the filtrate to obtain silver chloride through the precipitation method, because you know that your filtrate is silver nitrate, right? So silver nitrate, when it reacts with sodium chloride, what will be produced? Silver chloride and sodium nitrate. Okay, so from this reaction, this is your precipitation method because this is your precipitate. However, you need to obtain a pure sample of silver chloride. Currently, your silver chloride is mixed together with your sodium nitrate solution. So your last step is actually to filter the mixture to obtain your silver chloride. Then you wash the precipitate with distilled water and dry it on filter paper. That is how you get your 4 marks. Alright, and the last part, part C, part C, you are supposed to write a balanced chemical equation for the reaction of a named metal and a named acid. So you can use any metal or any acid. And they tell you that state symbols are not required. This question is 2 marks. So how do you get your 2 marks? Number 1, you need to name your metal and your acid. So in this case, I use magnesium and hydrochloric acid. Alright, so the balanced chemical equation will be magnesium reacting with hydrochloric acid to give you magnesium chloride and hydrogen gas. Okay, the general equation for this is metal plus acid give you salt plus hydrogen gas. This is the general equation. So if I use the specific metal, so if I use magnesium metal, react with hydrochloric acid, the name of the salt is magnesium chloride. So the name of my salt is magnesium chloride, and hydrogen gas will also be produced. Alright, after that you write your chemical formulas, balance the equation. Alright, thank you.